Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the liver. Okay, liver is the largest gland. As we already discussed about the three more glands: intestinal glands, okay, gastric glands, and also we discussed about the salivary glands. Salivary glands, intestinal glands, gastric glands. Now we are going to discuss about the liver. Okay, and next we'll discuss about the pancreas. Liver is the largest gland which weighs about 1.2 to 1.5 grams. Okay, it weighs about 1.2 to 1.5 grams and is the largest gland of all the glands. This liver is the largest gland. So it is present on the right side of the stomach in the abdominal region. Okay, in the abdominal cavity. In the abdominal cavity will present in just below the diaphragm. Ikkada diaphragm ఉంటుంది. Okay, just below the diaphragm and the right side of the stomach you can find the liver. Okay, and it is having a sac-like structure called gallbladder. The small round one is called as gallbladder. Okay, generally if you take lobes, liver has two lobes. How many lobes are present in the liver? Two lobes. And these lobes, if you see, this is one of the lobe, hepatic lobule. So each lobule is called as hexagonal hepatic lobule. It is in the form of hexagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Hexagonal in shape, and it is called as hepatic lobule. Okay, these cells, the cells are arranged in a column called hepatic cells. Hepatocytes anachu. These cells which are arranged in a line are called as hepatic cells. What are they called as? Hepatic cells. These hexagonal lobules are enclosed in a capsule, a connective tissue called Glissen's capsule. The connective tissue is called as what? Glissen's capsule. Here the hexagonal hepatic lobules are generally enclosed in a connective tissue, and this connective tissue is called as Glissen's capsule. Hexagonal lobules. If you see each hexagonal hepatic lobule, how many lobes are present? Two lobes, and that lobes are called as hexagonal hepatic lobules. If you see each one, they are made up of hepatocytes or hepatic cells. They are also called as hepatocytes or hepatic cells. Okay, and these cells are playing very important role in the production of bile. It is producing what? Bile. Bile is produced by hepatic cells or hepatocytes, and these hepatic cells are arranged in a column called as hepatic cords. They are arranged in a column called hepatic cords. They are arranged in a column called hepatic cords, and they are located at the central vein. All of them are located like this. They are arranged like this, and they are located at the central vein. This one is called as central vein. Okay, these all are supplied with veins, arteries. It is supplied with the blood and all. Okay, here liver is a major organ which playing very important role for different functions. It is performing all the different functions. Fats, whatever the food we are taking, fats untai kada, oily food what we are eating, that oily food is being digested by the liver. Okay, we'll see in the next topic. Okay, now we'll see about the structure, how the internal structure of the liver and what all are present. Okay, these hepatic cells, each cell which is present, it will produce bile juice. Okay, and these bile juice is generally produced by the liver, hepatic cells of the liver, and stored in the gallbladder. This gallbladder. Okay, this is a gallbladder. So here this whatever the bile juice which is produced by the liver, it is being stored in the gallbladder, and this gallbladder, it is running outside by a duct called as hepatic duct. Here the duct of the liver which is coming outside is called as hepatic duct, and through that duct, here the hepatic duct, the bile which is coming out from the liver has been stored in the gallbladder. Next, the gallbladder, from gallbladder you can see a duct called duct of gallbladder. This one is called as duct of gallbladder. It is connecting to form a common bile duct. It is opening inside, it is opening with and joining with the pancreatic duct, and that is called as this common bile duct and pancreatic duct. They are joining to form ampulla of Vater or hepatopancreatic duct, which is opening into the duodenum. Okay, once again I will say, the bile, which is secreted. Bile is a juice. Bile juice is a secretion of liver. Okay, bile is a secretion of liver, and here liver is playing very important role for digestion of the fat. Okay, fat, whatever the oily food we are eating, oily food ఏదైతే తింటామో దాన్ని డైజెస్ట్ చేయడానికి ఏం కావాలి? బైల్ జ్యూస్ కావాలి. What is required? Bile juice. So no, other than this, so many other functions are also performed by the liver. Chala functions chestayi. So here now we'll see how it is being collected and how it is sent into the ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? జ్యూస్ అంతా కూడా ఎక్కడ సెక్రెట్ అవ్వాలి? స్టమక్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి, ఇంటెస్టైన్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? డియోడినల్ రీజన్లో. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? యూ షేప్డ్ ట్యూబ్. డియోడినం దగ్గర కదా లివర్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ డియోడినం దగ్గర ఉనికి ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్, అంటే ఈ హెపాటిక్ డక్ట్ అండ్ ప్యాంక్రియాటిక్ డక్ట్ ఇవి రెండు కలిసి డియోడినల్ నుండికి ఓపెన్ అవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, నౌ విల్ సీ here the liver, it is sending out the bile juice through hepatic duct, and this hepatic duct is sending the bile juice, and here the bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. Okay, it is stored in the gallbladder. Next, after storing in the gallbladder, it is running outside with a duct called as duct of gallbladder, and this duct of gallbladder is coming outside as common bile duct. It is coming out as what? Common bile duct. And this common bile duct is united with the duct of pancreatic duct. It is united with the pancreatic duct, and it is opening into hepatic pancreatic duct or ampulla of Vater. It is opening into ampulla of Vater or hepatopancreatic duct, and finally it is opening into the duodenum, U-shaped tube called duodenum. And here it is guarded by a sphincter called sphincter of Otti. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ సెక్రెషన్స్ రిలీజ్ అవుతాయో మళ్ళీ తిరిగి వెనక్కి వెళ్ళకుండా హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గార్డెడ్ బై స్ఫింక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఓటీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ గార్డ్, అంటే వాల్వ్ లాగా పనిచేస్తుంది, డోర్ లాగా పనిచేస్తుంది అనమాట, స్ఫింక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఓటీ. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లివర్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ 4 marks, and we'll see the functions now.